Ever pondered how penguins, seemingly vulnerable and unassuming, manage to survive in the harshest climates on Earth? That's a question that often stirs in the minds of those who marvel at these fascinating creatures. Penguins, despite their adorable waddles and seemingly simple lives, are true survivors. They've adapted remarkably to thrive in the most extreme conditions. But what exactly are these adaptations? And how do they continue to flourish despite the mounting challenges of climate change and human impact? Stay tuned to uncover the secrets of their survival and much more. Penguins are not all black and white, nor are they all the same. Meet the diverse cast of penguins, each with a unique story to tell. Let's start with the emperor penguin, the tallest and heaviest of all penguin species. With a height that can reach up to 4 feet and a weight of up to 99 pounds, these regal birds are truly the kings of the Antarctic. They're known for their exceptional parenting skills and their ability to withstand the coldest temperatures on Earth. Then, we have the Adelie penguins, the smallest species in Antarctica. Despite their small size, they are known for their feisty and curious nature. Their white belly and darker back, a feature known as countershading, helps them blend in with the water, providing a natural defense against predators. Moving away from the icy continent, we reach the warm shores of South Africa and Namibia, home to the African penguins. Also known as jackass penguins for their donkey-like braying call, they are perfectly adapted to a warmer climate with a set of pink glands above their eyes to help them cool down. Then, there's the Galapagos penguin, the only penguin species that ventures north of the equator in the wild. Living on the Galapagos Islands, these penguins are proof that not all penguins need snow and ice to thrive. Let's not forget about the yellow-eyed penguin of New Zealand, one of the rarest penguin species in the world. They stand out with their distinct yellow eyes and a band of yellow feathers that runs from their eyes around the back of their heads. And last but not least, the little penguins, also known as fairy penguins. They are the smallest of all penguin species, and they've won hearts around the world with their adorable blue feathers and tiny stature. Despite their differences, all penguins share common traits that enable them to thrive in their icy homes. And whether they're braving the Antarctic cold or basking in the Galapagos sun, these remarkable creatures continue to captivate us with their resilience and charm. From their waddling walk to their streamlined bodies, every aspect of a penguin's design is a testament to nature's ingenuity. The world of penguins is a marvel of evolutionary adaptation. These remarkable birds are engineered for survival in some of the harshest conditions on our planet. From the icy wastes of Antarctica to the balmy beaches of South Africa. Let's delve into the intriguing adaptations that enable these charming creatures to thrive in their diverse habitats. Firstly, consider the penguin's iconic tuxedo-like coloration. This is not just a fashion statement. This contrasting black and white plumage serves a critical purpose known as countershading. When viewed from above, their black backs blend into the dark ocean depths, while their white bellies mimic the sunlight-dappled surface when seen from below. This clever camouflage protects penguins from predators and also helps them ambush their prey. Next, let's focus on their streamlined bodies and powerful flippers. Penguins may seem awkward on land, but in the water, they are agile swimmers, capable of reaching speeds up to 25 miles per hour. Their fusiform shape reduces drag, allowing them to glide through the water with ease, while their muscular flippers provide the propulsion needed for their epic ocean journeys. And then there's the penguin's amazing thermal regulation. Despite living in frigid environments, penguins are incredibly adept at maintaining their body temperature. They achieve this through a thick layer of insulating feathers and a layer of blubber. Moreover, they huddle together in large groups to share warmth, a behavior that is as heartwarming as it is practical. Finally, penguins have a unique way of obtaining fresh water. They can drink seawater and excrete the salt through a special gland near their eyes. This adaptation means they can stay at sea for weeks or even months at a time. These adaptations are the keys to their survival, but they also make penguins vulnerable to changes in their environment. As we move forward, it's crucial to remember that the survival of these incredible birds is intertwined with the health of our planet. Life for a penguin is not all smooth sailing. They face formidable challenges, both natural and man-made. Let's take a closer look. Penguins are uniquely adapted to thrive in some of the harshest conditions on Earth, but even they have their limits. Climate change poses a significant threat to these resilient birds. As global temperatures rise, the Antarctic ice that many penguin species call home is rapidly melting. This not only threatens their habitat, but also impacts their primary food source, krill. Krill populations dwindle as sea ice disappears, leaving penguins in a precarious situation. In addition to climate change, human activities are another significant challenge. Overfishing depletes the oceans of the fish that penguins rely on for sustenance. Oil spills and marine pollution further compound the problem, contaminating the waters that penguins swim in and the fish they eat. On land, human encroachment and habitat destruction disrupt penguin nesting sites, leading to a decline in breeding success. But it's not just the environment and humans posing a threat to penguins. They are also at risk from predators. In the water, penguins have to evade seals and killer whales. On land, they must guard their eggs and chicks against predatory birds and land mammals. The constant vigilance required for survival takes a toll on penguin populations. The impact of these challenges is evident. Several penguin species, such as the emperor penguin and the Galapagos penguin, are already listed as near threatened or endangered. Without significant intervention, these incredible creatures could face extinction in the not-too-distant future. However, it's not all doom and gloom. There are glimmers of hope. Around the world, people and organizations are stepping up to protect penguins. From research and conservation initiatives to policy changes and public education, efforts are underway to safeguard these beloved birds and their habitats. The future of penguins hangs in the balance, but there are people and organizations working tirelessly to tip the scales in their favor. In the face of adversity, conservationists are stepping up to protect these remarkable birds. Penguins, these delightful avian wonders, are the subjects of concerted efforts worldwide to ensure their survival. At the heart of these initiatives is habitat protection. Penguins, like all creatures, need a safe and secure place to call home. Conservationists are working tirelessly to protect penguin habitats, from the icy expanses of Antarctica to the windswept shores of New Zealand. They're doing this by advocating for marine protected areas, where human activities are regulated to minimize impact on the wildlife. Another significant threat to penguins is pollution, particularly oil spills. Oil can stick to a penguin's feathers, disrupting their waterproofing and insulation, and leading to hypothermia. To combat this, organizations are monitoring shipping routes and implementing stricter regulations to prevent accidents. Additionally, rapid response teams are on standby to clean and rehabilitate oil-soaked birds, giving them a fighting chance at survival. Climate change, however, is the greatest challenge. As our planet warms, ice melts, and food sources for penguins become scarce. To mitigate this, conservationists are focusing on reducing greenhouse gas emissions. They're advocating for clean, renewable energy sources and promoting sustainable practices that lessen our impact on the environment. But it's not all about grand-scale efforts. Small actions matter too. Beach cleanups help to reduce the amount of plastic that could harm penguins. Citizen science projects allow anyone, anywhere, to contribute to penguin research. Even something as simple as choosing sustainable seafood can help to preserve penguin food sources. In essence, protecting penguins is about preserving the balance of our planet. It's about ensuring that the melody of penguin calls continues to echo across the Antarctic tundra, and that their charismatic waddles continue to captivate hearts worldwide. Every effort counts, and together, we can make a difference for these amazing creatures. Let's step up for penguins, for their survival is a testament to the health of our oceans and, ultimately, our planet. The world of penguins is a world of resilience and adaptation, a world that we are only beginning to understand. These remarkable creatures, with their distinct personalities and behaviors, have thrived in some of the harshest environments on Earth. They've evolved unique adaptations, from their waddling walk to their streamlined bodies, all to survive in the icy wilderness and vast oceans they call home. But these incredible birds face numerous challenges. Climate change, habitat loss, and human impact are all threats to their survival. The shifting ice and warming seas disrupt their food sources, while plastic pollution and overfishing add to their plight. These are not battles they can fight alone. Conservation efforts are underway, from habitat restoration to pollution control, from research to education. Scientists, conservationists, and volunteers worldwide are working tirelessly to protect these beloved birds. They're studying their behaviors, tracking their movements, and implementing measures to safeguard their habitats. But it's not just about what the experts can do. Every single one of us plays a role in this story. Through small actions like reducing our plastic usage, supporting sustainable fishing, and spreading awareness, we can all contribute to the survival and prosperity of these fascinating creatures. As we part ways with our tuxedo-clad friends, remember that their survival is in our hands. The future of penguins is a story that we are all writing together.